togetherness for me is one of these warm words, so my associations are very warm with it. I think you achieve a sense of togetherness when you have a common purpose, but that doesn't mean that the purpose is defined or clear to everybody. I think togetherness is when you feel human, and I think it's when the similarities or what we share with one another becomes more important than what divides us and what differences there might be between us.
The experience of art has to not just exist in one place or time. You have to experience different temporalities, and so I think being in the space is one part of it, and then another is being able to experience it in different ways, whether that's workshops, lectures, talks. I think that's how it can make a difference to a community.
Sunday dinners and Saturday night takeaways, lolling together in front of Doctor Who on cold nights. Autumn walks and spag bowl, clinking drinks and winking smiles. Crying, laughing, cups of tea, all shared.
I think fundamentally it's about shared values, but it can go beyond that into sort of emotional warmth and understanding and like a bit of give and take.
Togetherness for me is maybe like hanging out with friends, like being as a whole, like sharing experiences, doing things with your friends and family. Everyone was sort of getting involved in the same piece and hanging there out together and sort of like seeing what would look good next to one another, and I think that's what togetherness means to me.
I think togetherness is like when you have like a really basic human connection with someone. Like, you don't necessarily have to be talking, but you just feel like entirely comfortable around other people or a person.
Here we are together. Here we are together. Steps. Here we are together. Here we are together. Steps. Here we are together. Here we are together. To the steps.
Art brings people together by asking open questions to which there is no right answer. Everyone's response is valid and valued. The work in Creative Connections is made by and is for the youngest to the oldest in our local communities. The pieces involve people collaborating with artists to make work together and experience the world anew through a creative process. Gallery spaces can be made more accessible by listening to and collaborating with audiences. If a community sees themselves reflected in the gallery, they will visit. Audience-led programming is crucial to this approach.
I think togetherness is most often a contribution to a common cause, like a group of individuals collaborating together on something such as music or food or art in a way that no one's excluded.
I think it's about something more than just inhabiting the same space together, but I'm not sure what that is. Yeah.
Experiences with people and how certain emotions can affect you with other people.
I guess like how you interact with the world together with people to feel like it's not so like individualistic.
The performance we just saw, everyone was sitting very close together, and I really enjoyed watching how if something was funny, there was a little ripple of laughter through people. They were all moving their heads in sync depending on where the performer was running, so they were sort of moving as a group.
Not necessarily always agreeing with each other, but being prepared to meet each other as you share your ideas, because that changes your perspective anyway on things.
Togetherness is connection in spite of difference. I think it's connection as well as an effort to make that connection and seek out things and ways that disconnect us and take them down.
I just liked how we were all in that room together and everyone was experiencing the same kind of thing and really having a good time. You could sort of feel the enjoyment of everyone, and you'd turn around and to someone you didn't even know and like be smiling and like dancing with them, and it was a really nice sense of togetherness in that sense that this music and the kind of whole vibe and atmosphere in the room just created this sort of sense of unity.